Welcome, beautiful people, to my channel. Today, we would be inspecting this 85 million naira three-bedroom terrace duplex. Now, let's see the compound space. This is right where you get to park your car, so you can either park here or even in front there. Now, we have only 3 units of this terrace in this compound. It means that we have only 3 residents, so you see it is not crowded. However, we have only 1 unit selling. This is what the neighborhood looks like. You see it is fully developed and very habitable. So we have only 1 unit of this three-bedroom terrace duplex available. So it means that if you love what you see at the end of this video, kindly give us a call immediately before this 1 unit gets sold out. Let's just take a quick look at the back of the house. This is what the back of the house looks like. Now, one of the things I like about this property is how spacious, from the living area to the rooms and the bathrooms, they are quite spacious. You get to see that by the time we go in, and it has the title of governor's consent. Let's have a better view at the structure. All right, so come with me. Remember, only 1 unit available, just 1 unit. Okay, so we're in now. Let's see the size of the living area from this angle. This is the full size of the living area from this angle. Note, however, that it's not coming with the furniture. So if you buy this property, you won't be getting the furniture. It has an open kitchen design, as you can see. However, you can choose to just, there's also an inbuilt speaker up there. You can choose to just have, a glass here that can just demarcate it if you choose to, if you don't like the open kitchen plan. And then this is the size of the living area from this angle. This is it. So before we go upstairs, let's see the guest room. Over here is the visitor's toilet right here, and then this is the guest room. I want you to take note of how spacious the size of the guest room is. This is it. See, it is spacious, and then even the toilet and bath, you see it is not too small, also spacious enough. All right, so now we can go upstairs and see what we have there. Now, if you love what you see, give us a call immediately, because this property might not stay too long in the market. In fact, I came for an inspection with a client representative. So if you love what you see, contact us immediately before it gets sold out. Right here is where we have the family lounge, also spacious. See the size of it. Now, this property is located here in Lekki, Lagos, specifically, let me say, in between Sangotedo to an Abijo, because if I say Abijo, it is not all the way down Abijo. It's just like at the entrance of when you're approaching Abijo. So I like to say it is in between Sangotedo and Abijo, and it is very close to that to Sangotedo shop right in November, very close to it. This is the master's bedroom. This is the size of the master's bedroom, and then there's a balcony right here. And one of the things that makes me really like this house is that you can be sure of good ventilation here, because there's balcony right at the family lounge and even the master's bedroom. 85 million naira, three-bedroom terrace duplex, only 1 unit available. Give us a call immediately if this fits into what you want. And also, if you want a different property, either above this price, yeah, above this price, or you even want a land or something you can pay instrumentally for like up to 1 year, we also have them at different locations. We also have properties below this price as well, not only above this price. So just reach out to us, tell us what you want, either a land, a house, one with payment plan, commercial properties, a shop. Just give us a call and tell us what you want. Now let's quickly see the balcony and have a better view of the neighborhood before we end this video. If this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and I would love to have you as part of the amazing family that I have here on YouTube. We are growing together, and we would love to welcome you into that family. So kindly hit the subscribe button turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video here. Remember, only one unit available. Give us a call today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.